Greenville Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Pickens, or near Keowee-Tugsaway State Park, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Pickens, Slater Marietta, Lake Keowee, Pleasant Ridge State Park, Jocassee Gorges, Lake Jocassee, Devil's Fork State Park, Keowee-Tugsaway State Park, Table Rock State Park, and Pumpkin Town. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for upstate South Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Jocassee, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Greenville, Oconee, and Pickens. Here is a special weather statement.